My first year on YouTube and why 1,000 subscribers is so important. Hey bro dads, moms, oldies and you beautiful others out there. I want to thank each one of you for watching, and I hope that what I do gives you some new ideas or thoughts. Today is the time to look back upon some of the year's videos, my YouTube channel statistics and milestones, and reveal some of the plans for the year to come. For those of you that only want to hear about the 1,000 subs mark, I have a timestamp for you down there somewhere. But if you follow the whole show, you might catch the other important things I will talk about too. Through my baby YouTube channel, I have gotten some side gigs and met some new people. Nothing big, but a beginning, and I feel as if there has been a push in the right direction. I'm starting to feel as alive as I felt when I was solo backpacking in Asia in the beginning of 2000. Yeah, that's me. And I just turned 40 a year ago. You can still be cool at my age. What I'm saying is YouTube is a long trip, but you have to stay motivated and never give up on your goal. There will be a lot of competition and you will have ups and downs, and when you fall off the horse, because you will, pick yourself up and get back on it. My YouTube adventure started in February 2020 with me making a good friend a gift that brought us even closer. This was the Navy SEALs emblem, and a perfect gift for my guy. It took a bit of imagination and a lot of hours, but it was worth it. I will link all my videos up here when I talk about them now, but be warned, some of my early videos has got some serious issues, but go ahead and have a laugh. After this, I launched how to build a log birdhouse, which I gifted away to some other friends. I really thought I had created something new on YouTube here, but I quickly realized I was not the first one to make it as I searched YouTube. Most things are out there already, and I believe it is one of the main reasons why things are very slow to new tubers like me. Well, looking back, I know I needed some time to grow comfortable in this role. There are so many skills you need, and there are 720,000 hours of uploads to YouTube every day. I produce maybe 8 minutes every week, and a fraction gets lucky and are discovered early. Most others, they have to grind it out, and it looks like I'm on the grind. If you are still listening, give me a shout in the comments and let me know you are here. When you have a channel, you should strive to do better at all the skills it takes to create whatever your channel is about. So for me, that is videography, sound, lighting, and that is for most people. I also need to get better in front of the camera, and I'm still struggling to be normal and talk as if there's a head there and not a camera. I also have to work on the script writing, my woodpecking skills, my picking interesting builds, blah blah blah. It's a huge list. Some of you have been following my channel for a little while now and have been checking out the weird things I make, like Major Stickman or the pandemic beer arm. Relax, I will make crazy stuff again, but in order to grow my channel, I need to start the year focusing on more normal builds that people might actually search for in order to build my audience. In September, something happened with my channel and I have made one breakthrough video, and that is my owl house video. It generates about 80 to 100 views per day, and for my channel nothing comes close to this one. So with this video I'm starting to see that getting to my goal is a possibility. Most people find me through this video, and I will tell you what happened. By starting to use Tubebuddy, I learned about tags, and then I fixed my title according to the most searched for tags, and I fixed the tags for every video that I have made. I will put the Tubebuddy link in my description, and I'm not sponsored, I just have a free version. Tubebuddy just helped me to see how I should write my tags, and then my owl house actually started to produce views, as you see from here. In September it started to rise. My thoughts on the tags is that they are way more important for the little channel than for the bigger channels, which will get their views no matter what they upload or write. I changed from one-liners like woodworking and owls to two-liners, attract owls, DIY owl house, and to how to build an owl house. And the longer your tags are, the better in my belief, but they need to be realistic. I need a couple of more of these videos in order to reach my 1,000 subscriber goal. The magic 1,000 plus 1,000 hours of watch time. In order to get monetized, meaning ads, I read the average channel uses 22 months to achieve this. I'd say my channel is right on track. I have 350 subs soon, and also 850 hours watch time. If I fixed my tags, as I mentioned earlier, then I would probably be way better off now, because I would see a rise earlier. And being monetized will help your channel grow, and it is logical, and it's all about the money, because Google owns YouTube, and Google gets paid from people watching ads. If you don't have 1,000 subs, you don't have ads, and if you don't have ads, then you're not that interesting to Google and on the grind together with me. I see this as a test period where you can evolve your channel into greatness, and it's a hunt, and if you give up, you will never catch that dream of yours. But what happens when you reach those 1,000 subscribers? First of all, about 35% of the channels ever reach 1,000 subscribers, so to get there you must be dedicated. But guess what? When you get there, it will get easier for you because you will be monetized. And therefore, Google will be more willing to push your videos. And here are some interesting numbers. In a 1,000,000 channel study, channels with under 1,000 subs represented 90% of the 1,000,000 channels. They got 7% of the views. And channels with 10,000 subscribers got 28% of the views. So it is likely that the bigger you are, the more wind you will have in your sales, but you will still have to make interesting videos that people watch. You have to have at least 1,000 subscribers to be successful on YouTube, and I will get there. This 1K subscriber, 4K hour game is my first goal, and creating good content on YouTube is my dream, doing the things I love. And if you don't have a dream or a goal, you are drifting. And now we enter an ode to EOD. My pearl, the shine in my eyes, my baby. I really did a number out of this one, and I wanted to see what I could do with my videography, sound, acting and video editing skills. And I made almost a movie. I had some interesting footage sent to me, and I introduced EOD to you. There is especially one other video I thought deserved some extra attention this year, and that is my DIY pot handle. It turned out so beautiful, and if you have not seen it, I really hope you will. Because it is another great gift you should be able to create yourself, and it's actually the third or fourth handle I have ever made in my entire life. So with some dedication and the right tools, you should be able to get a grip on it in no time. And what is to come on WoodTube, that is, I will actually be renaming it to Norwegian Wood. I have a video about firewood and the forest lined up. It's gonna be some kind of documentary, so I will change my style a bit in this one. And I need a better chair to sit in for next year's end chat. Because this thing is not comfortable at all. I'm thinking something Viking style. But what are your plans and goals for the coming year? Are you working towards something, or are you stuck in a rut with no plans at all? Snap out of it and start creating. So what happened at home this year? My little girl, she started school, and she's supposedly kissing all the boys there, and that is probably just great for her. My 3-year-old son, he smashed a hole in one of our bathroom tiles with a hammer, and my wife, she started a food sideshow thing, and our economy is looking better day by day, so we are blessed. As the year moved towards the end, I found out that I had to have a little YouTube break, and so I changed the schedule to video every second week instead of every week, and I'm looking forward to trying to get back to the every week schedule. I just have to figure out a good way to go around this. Now for the end, I will do a shout out to my 5 biggest subscribers. And my wild card is Lucky Place Garina. In 5th place, Robert Knorr. He sings like an angel and he's got great vibes. 4th place, it's Timmy Boy. He's a Dutch gamer. And 3rd, Nakul Tubebuddy. He teaches electronica music program online. In 2nd place, Jeremy Ron Lyles. And he's a little dude with some cool editing skills. And on the 1st place, Susie's Home and Garden in New York. She has some garden gig going, and she's got some lovely kids. For last, I wanted to thank you for hanging out with me, and I hope I managed to make some interesting builds or give you some good ideas. And I wish you a happy new year. You are a part of my dream come through.